Tired of video editors slapping a big ugly watermark on your hard work? Today I'm showing you the best free editing software for PC with zero watermarks. So let's go. All of these are legit, totally free, and I'm including ones that don't stick a watermark on your final video. No trials, no tricks. First on the list is DaVinci Resolve. Professional grade, Hollywood level color correction, visual effects, and audio tools. The learning curve is real, but the power is insane. Next on the list is Shotcut. Super beginner friendly, open source, and great for basic to intermediate editing. No ads, no watermark, just drag, drop, and go. Next is CapCut for PC. Yep, CapCut is now on PC. Perfect for short form videos. It's simple, sleek, and packed with features like auto captions and effects. Completely free, no watermark. There's also a bonus shout out, and that is VSDC Free Video Editor. But this is only for Windows. It is great for offline editing. Just make sure you download the free version, not the pro. So there you have it, four killer editing tools, all watermark free and wallet friendly. Which one will you try first? So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!